Hi Rachel, this is Kemp-Gerstel and I'm the creator behind Damask Love, where I share all things colorful and creative on all of my platforms. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 DIYs that are really inexpensive, very easy, and you can create them in a weekend. First up, I've got this gift box. We're going to turn it into the most amazing wall art using a photo of your family or any other favorite photo. To decorate the box, I'm going to use washi tape. Washi tape is a decorative paper tape that you can use in lots of different ways in your crafting. I'm going to use it to decorate the sides of the box. Keep wrapping the tape around until you've covered the whole side. If you have any excess hanging over the edge, just fold it inside. Let's do the other side of the box. Grab your trusty glue stick, add the photo on top, and smooth it into place. Now flip it over and just use a pair of scissors to cut off anything that hangs off the edge. I used some adhesive to add this to the wall, and now when I open it up, I've got space to hang things. You can use this for your keys, you can even use it for jewelry, necklaces, earrings. This is such a fun way to decorate your house using things you already have. Next up, I'm sure you have one of these lying around the house, a shampoo bottle or even a lotion bottle. We're going to transform it into something for your green thumb. I went ahead and washed this, cleaned out the inside, and now I'm peeling off the labels. I'm cutting across the front with my craft knife, and then I'm going to cut a triangle shape right in the middle. Now, be careful and cut all the way around the bottle. With this half, we want to spray paint it pink. How cute! It already looks better. Now it's time to decorate this to turn it into a unicorn planter. Add a little glue to the horn. It's not a unicorn until it has glitter, right? Now let's give our unicorn a little unicorn hair. To do that, I'm going to use paint. So I grabbed some paint pens and we're going to add rainbow streaks. This is a great time to have fun, be creative, and let your imagination run wild. She's a beautiful sleeping unicorn. Remember this other half of the bottle? Screw off the top and then trim it down just a bit. Now you can just fit it inside of the base of that bottle, and it's a great way to have drainage for your plant. Now, I don't have much of a green thumb, but I do have these 2 faux plants, so I'll use those. But if you're using dirt, just fill it up with dirt and then add your plants. This is a great way to add decor and upcycle at the same time. Beauty and function, I love it. I'm going to show you how to make the simplest headband using all the supplies in front of me. I'm starting out with 3 strips of fabric cut to 24 inches by 4 inches. Place the fabric down on the table and then fold it so that the pretty sides are together. Now run the glue along the edge of the fabric and glue it into place. I'll set this aside to dry and continue with the other 2 pieces of fabric. I've got my 3 strips of fabric folded in half. Now we need to turn them inside out. Now that we have all 3 turned inside out, I'm going to gather them up at the end and tie them together with some string. It's time now to braid them all together, just like you would braid your hair. Go ahead and trim down the ends of the fabric. With hot glue, I'm going to attach the fabric to the headband. We just want to kind of hide those ends so it looks more finished. To do that, I'm going to use some ribbon. Dab some hot glue onto the fabric, place the ribbon onto it, and start wrapping around the ends. Make sure you repeat this on both sides. I hope this inspires everyone to get creative and try a little something new, because it's always more fun when you make it.